And then what would you say is one daily practice that you personally use that you would say contributes to your own personal success?
I would say, hands down, beyond a shadow of a doubt, it is the connecting to source energy. Just breathing that in takes a split second, expanding my energy out with all that is and becoming all that is, and just trying to, the majority of the time, stay in that space and live my life from that space, because everything flows so much smoother. My love life, my family life, my business, my friendships, everything, even my health is so incredibly better when I operate on a daily basis from that four cylinders, the spiritual realm first, then mental, then allowing the emotional response, and then the physical will take over from there, which is all good when it starts with your connection to self.